In the sunlit heart of Florida, a Japanese-style tiny home quietly impressed with its masterful use of space, where every cabinet, drawer, and surface is thoughtfully designed to serve both beauty and function. At the core of this serene retreat lies an impressive cabinet layout that blends Japanese minimalism with smart spatial planning, transforming a small footprint into a fully functional and elegant living experience. From the moment you enter, the layout speaks with quiet confidence. A slim genkan-style entry cabinet welcomes shoes and outdoor wear into concealed. A ventilated compartment setting the tone for the home's discipline. Organization in the kitchen, lower cabinets are arranged in a seamless flowing L shape, maximizing counter space while maintaining an open, breathable feel, and each drawer is fitted with precision dividers and pull-out trays, perfect for minimalist cookware and utensils. Above, like wood cabinets with vertical grain patterns stretched to the ceiling, subtly echoing traditional Japanese joinery, the symmetry is no accident. Everything is aligned to create a visual rhythm that calms the eye and guides movement through the space. Soft closed doors and recessed finger pulls maintain the clean lines, while concealed hang and edge lighting add modern sophistication. In the living area, custom floor-to-ceiling cabinetry serve multiple roles: media console, workspace, and hidden storage. Sliding panels, reminiscence of Fusuma, reveal built-in shelving and cozy nooks without disrupting the flow. A hidden fold-out table, perfectly slotted inside a central cabinet, creates an instant dining or tea space when needed. The loft ladder doubles as a vertical storage tower, with integrated drawers tucked behind each step. In the bathroom, cabinetry is built into every available surface beneath the sink, behind mirrors, even recessed into the walls, all arranged in perfect harmony with the home's aesthetic and proportions. Every cabinet is not only well placed but purposefully positioned to support a lifestyle of grace, order, and adaptability. The result is a layout that feels expansive, intelligent, and thoroughly impressive. Proof that in a Japanese-style tiny home, cabinetry is not just storage, but a foundational design language.